So today we will be unboxing the standard and ultimate pack that Londonist provides for you guys. If you want to purchase this, you can purchase it on the Stu-Buddy website. It's £60 and it comes with all the things that you need when you first move into your student accommodation. So you don't have to go to all these different shops and figure out what you actually need. Everything is in one place, which is super handy. So let's see what the items are that come inside. One snack pack. Let's see what's inside the snack pack. So this is for the Londonist room cleaning service, which you can scan. So that's fun. All of these promotions, which is really cool, that is provided on the Stu-Buddy website. Some crisps and popcorn, an energy drink as well. This is definitely needed with those late night study sessions. You don't actually have to buy a whole cutlery set. It comes with all the things that you need, which is really handy. 2 packets of coffee. Again, this is so needed for those late night study sessions. So that's really handy. So all of these packs come with all the essentials that you need when you first move in. So this is provided by Londonist as well, which is delivered before you move in. So you don't actually have to go to the shop or find any nearby shops or anything like that to buy all of the essentials. Everything you need comes in this one box, which is really handy. Okay, this is cute for a little espresso. Comes with a mug as well, a bowl, and then it comes with a pot as well, a plate, and a pan. Cool, everything's really good quality as well. So that's really nice. Let's see what else is in here. And then it comes with all of these hangers, which is super useful. So I love how it comes with an adapter as well. This is so useful. A sandwich maker, a kettle as well. So yeah, that's all the things that it comes with in the starter pack. Now we are going to unpackage the ultimate pack. So this is £90 and it comes with 15 different items. Everything comes in one package. So let's see what comes in the ultimate pack. It comes with a bowl, a pot, and this seems like really good quality as well. So everything is really nice quality and sturdy. And then it comes with a plate, 2 cups, 1 mug and 1 little like espresso or juice cup. The cutlery that you'll need comes with some coffee, some little snacks. So it comes with popcorn, crisps as well. Ready salted is my favorite flavor, by the way. And then it also comes with a Monster energy drink. It comes with an IKEA pan, a little frying pan, cook your eggs in the morning, hair dryer. So remember guys, you get all of this for only £90. And it is free delivery as well, so everything will be delivered to your room before you actually move in. A toilet scrubber. I really love this design, you know, it's really nice and modern. Oh, and then it also comes with a sandwich maker as well for your little toasties. Another plate and a bowl. So this comes with 10 hangers. Super useful, so you don't have to buy your own hangers. Again, it also comes with an adapter. This really nice, good quality kettle, as you can see. So this can be used to make your coffee, tea, and your noodles as well. I know students love noodles. And then it comes with a cute little mug as well. So 2 little mugs that you get. So yeah guys, so this is the ultimate pack. This is £90, and remember, you can get this on the Stu-Buddy website. So for £90, you get all of this, which is such a bargain, guys.